おはようございます。大丈夫ですか？お元気ですか？聞こえる？聞こえます？ Good. Okay. No, I think we have too many things happening with the Zoom, and my cell phone was kind of jam-packed, and so I'm using my friends, and I'm glad it's working. I'm no good with this modern equipment. I'm just person to person. So, anyways, let's have a good energy. Taking in good energy, bringing good energy out to the people who you care, and let's not get ourselves down. Have to keep on talking to ourselves. So I do the same. Please do the same for yourself and your loved one. And thank you for joining me. And we are going to try today how to do top to bottom. And it's all mind over our body. We talked about facial expressions, and I help you do certain things to your face by looking at the mirror, and I hope it's working. And sometimes when you think of it, make sure to stand in front of your mirror and see if you can speak to yourself. You know, open up your eyes and open up your mouth, you open up your mind and see if you can get yourself into the good, positive condition. Very hard to do it at this time. Anyways, massaging your fingertips, right? This we can all do. And massaging in between your fingers. And while you do this, any kind of exercise, you are going to breathe in, exhale, breathe in, exhale. I'm not going to mention this all the time because I have to keep on moving. And see you can do squeezing the palm of your hands and do it nice and tightly. Meanwhile, you can lift your elbow up, elbow up, right side, left side, tita-tata. And while you do this, and lifting your shoulders up, and the left shoulder up, right shoulder up. One more time to the left side, left shoulder up, and tilting your head, and tilting your head to the right, tilting your head to the left. Maybe it's a mirror image. You have to go other way around, I believe. Okay, so keep on going. Then see if you can feel the side of your body be nicely stretched out. All right, little movements without hurting ourselves. All right, it's hard to do. Bring your hands here, relaxing your shoulders. Make sure so your shoulders are nicely even, and see if you can get your spine straight. Top of your head of the crown, to the tailbone goes nice and straight. All right, and feeling that spine, vertebrae by vertebrae, goes nice and straight, and in between those vertebrae, see if you can give a little bit touch of space. Okay, that's sort of figures of speech. It doesn't go so easy. Open up your fingertips, open up your fingertips, open up your fingertips, and put your heels of your hands together, slowly closing your elbows closer. Okay, might not go all the way. It's fine. You just do amount you like to do. Then see if you can kick your elbows out, lifting your fingers up. Exhale, inhale, and you can chase after this movement with your eyeballs. Then eyeball movements. Eyeballs, and up, and out, close. See if you can do a little energy making again. All right. Then see if you can get your hands and the arms to become parallel. Slashing, slashing. If you're brave enough, try to do a nice large movements. Large movements. One more time. Breathe in and exhale. And other way around. Slash it, slash it, slash it, slash it. Side to side. And here and open up your front door wide as you can. This time I like you to open up your chest and lifting your chin up a bit more. I don't want you to drop your head to the back too far. Just to lift it up so you can feel your throat being nicely stretched up. Then close and drop your head down. One more time. Breathe in. Exhale. Turn to your right. Open up the right side window. Breathe in. Exhale. One more time to go. Breathe in. Exhale. And meeting you in the center. And then turn to the left. Open up your left side window. Close. Left side window. A bit wider. Close, meeting you in the center. Now, massaging your fingertips again, especially your thumb. If you can massage your thumb, bringing your thumb to your temple, all right? You have a soft spot on in the temple, right? It coincides circle. You're going to massage it, that temple, press it in. Press it in. It's a shiatsu massage into the tsubo, ne? Tsubo. All right. One more time, press it down. And the rest of your fingers goes to the top of your head. Squeezing your top of your head, the skull and the brains, everything you're going to feel it with your fingers. Touch, 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 touch. This is exercise and massaging the skull and getting your good energy into your, tapping it into the brains. And the squeeze, whole head, whole front of your head, right? Bringing your hands to the back of your head. I'm going to tilt my head forward so you can see. See if you can squeeze the top of your head. Tight as you can. Tight as you can. Breathe in and exhale. Breathe in and exhale. Now, see if you can get your middle finger. That's where you have most of energy traveling from the heart, center of your body to the fingertips. Middle finger goes to the bottom of your skull. All right? And massaging this part. All right? Then press it inwards and bottom of the skull, ending of the skull, pressing it down. This is to give a good energy to your upper parts of your body and getting rid of some of your heaviness of your head and the shoulders. Massaging your neck. I hope you can see me. Massaging your neck, giving a good warm feeling to the neck. Slowly lifting up your head and slowly opening up your elbows, opening up your chest. Your head wouldn't go too far back because you're holding it up with the two hands. Open up your chest again, open up the world, hold, and slowly closing your elbows together, squeezing the side of your face, hold it, hold it. Slowly bringing your elbows to your kneecap, if you can, toward the kneecap. Might not go too far forward, just keep it there. Now see if you can squeeze the side of your cheeks And just round your back. All right, I'm sure you can feel kind of tightness on your back. Then one more time, lifting your elbows up, body straight, opening up your chest, lifting your elbows upwards, and pushing your head upwards, making your neck nice and long and hold it. And slowly relaxing it. You're getting nice and warm, right? I am. Massaging your chin with a nice big gesture. Massaging your chest, massaging. You don't really have to touch the skin too much. Just giving a good energy to the body, skin, and massaging to the middle part of your body, and massaging your lower dantian, where the center of your energy goes. Hold on to the center of your energy, like lower dantian, with triangular or diamond shaped hands. And then let's give a good squeezing. Squeezing. You can breathe in, exhale, breathe in, exhale, breathe in, exhale. So you have a good energy going into the where the center of the energy making center is, right? So next, what I like you to do is open up your feet a bit, okay? Nice and parallel. Right hand goes to outside of left, if you can, that is. If you cannot reach it, just stop it on top of your left leg, all right? Left hand goes to the back. Don't have to go too far. I might go a little bit farther than I said. Squeezing. It's a spinal twist. Relaxing your shoulders. Do not round your shoulders. Keep it nice and straight. Nice long neck. Hold it in that position. Hold it in that position. Then slowly walking your hands to come forward. Okay, we don't slap it. You don't do too fast movements. Outside of left hand goes to the outside of the right side. This hand goes back far as you can. You are twisting, spinal twist to your right. Your nice long neck, shoulders are down, spine straight, little twisted, little amount twisted. Look over your right shoulder if you can, and let's try to twist, touch more, okay, touch more. And slowly, slowly undoing. Undoing is a very careful movement. Crossing your arms, relaxing your elbows, come slightly forward, chin forward, and do this much. Shoulders are still down and up. Now, we worked on the head, we worked a bit on the face, we worked on the ears. I don't think we did work on the ears. Let's massage your ears before we forget. And pressing your earlobes down, pinching your earlobes, pushing the top of your head upwards, and see if you can close your elbows together. Okay, you have a nice long neck, a nice long earlobes, and hold it. So your spine is kept straight and your body is nice and even on the both sides. Just stay like this. Pushing your elbows up a little higher. I'm sure you can feel the good pull on the outside of your arms. So this much is for the up part of the body. The bottom part is talking to me and saying, hey, how about that? So I'm going to work on the toes first. Put your toes a little wider again. See if you can get your heels come closer and toes comes together. So we are going to go pivoting toes. We have done it earlier, few times ago. And close, open, close. Why we can do this without hurting. Now, even you have a sore knees, you just take it easy. I'm going kind of fast, but you can do nice slow movements. Open up the toes, close your toes, open up your toes, and coordinating your breathing at the same time. Close your toes, open up your toes, close. Now you can see me, my kneecaps opens up, kneecaps closes in, kneecaps goes out. And while I'm doing it, I'm sure you can feel it. Those muscles here, muscles on the inside, all right, calf muscles, are very gently moving, all right? We don't get hurt. Try to do a little bit movements like this. Hold on to the chair, and we are going to push your head upwards again, dropping your shoulders downwards, down, down, down. Do you see me straight? Push your head upwards toward the ceiling or the sky, and show me a nice stretch. All right? And we are going to try kicking your heel forward, right heel forward, left heel forward, right heel forward, left heel forward, and the right heel forward, pointing your toe, right toe forward. Let me see you stretching from the tip of your toes all the way to the top of the thigh, okay, right here. And the heel forward, pointy, your toes, heel forward, pointy. And one more time, heel forward, pointing your feet, toes, okay? Then let's change so we don't get tired on the one side. And trying to do this again, heel goes forward on the left foot, and just stretch so you get your calf muscles nice and straight. This part of the thigh is kind of almost screaming. I can feel it, nice and tight. Pointing your toes, and the heel goes forward. Pointing your toes, heel goes forward. One more time. Pointing the toes, heel goes forward, and just let's give a good shake. Give me your right foot again. You're going, pushing your heel forward again. Give a little bit circle, all right? This leg don't have to be that far up. See if you can do it here. That might be a little easier with a little bit bending of your knee, right? Do anything, it's comfortable. And don't forget to breathe in and exhale, breathe in and exhale. One more time, breathe in, exhale, doing another way, breathe in and exhale, breathe in and exhale. Don't forget your spine is still kept nice and straight. Okay, then other side. I'm going to do a little lower, okay? Heels goes making circle. One way, other way. And I hope you are breathing all the time. Your body gets nice and warm in that case. And straight. So eventually we are going to get up, we're ready to go. Before we do, make a nice circle in front of you, all right? Then see if you can rotate to the one side. Okay, it's again the spinal twist, but in more of the movement. And breathe in, exhale, breathe in. We're gonna bring it up a little higher, if you can, that is, all right? Now, my arm happened to go a little higher today, so you're gonna do up, and if you don't wanna do it too high, do it down there, okay? And slowly down. We are gonna come up, open up your feet, and we do that small stand, right? Small wrestling stand. Same arm movements. Lifting your right elbow up and look over. Look through that arm. And lifting your left elbow and look through your... Now, while you do this, I'm sure you can feel this inside of your opposite leg side, right? And try to use a bit of your muscles on the bottom half of your body as well. Look over through your left elbow, and one more time to the right, and the feeling on the inside of your left thigh. See, that is, isn't it? All these movements are connected. If you want it to be, then coming up. Open up your arms and show me the heels of your hands guiding this circle. Heel of your hands guides this circle. One more time. Knees are going up and bending. Breathe in and exhale. I'm going other way, out and in. Now, when I'm in this position, I can feel some muscles, like right here. I can feel muscles on this side and that side. And if you can try feeling those muscles, okay? Going up and down. One more time. Breathe in and down. Put your hands together, pointing your fingers to the right. Hold it. Now, while I'm doing this, I'm holding onto the ground by all of my right toes, holding onto the ground so I don't fall over, right? Then I'm shifting away to the left side, holding onto the ground with the left toes. I don't know if you can feel, you can see my toes are grasping the earth. And to the right, do with your own speed. I'm going slow. You may go fast, but make sure to shift it. Make sure to get yourself in a good position before you do this movement. And stretching the opposite side and meeting you in the center. Making the circle, making circle, making circle, and going other way. Breathe in, exhale, breathe in, exhale, breathe in, exhale, and down. We are going to hold on to the chair on the either side, right? Stand on your foot, I'm standing on my right foot. And the right hand is holding onto the chair and just hold on to comfortably, standing on the right foot of mine. All right, you can do the same. And see if you can kick your left heel out. We did this in a sitting position. And bring it closer to the other side. Bring it leg to the side and back. To the back. Close. Kicking forward. Close. I'm flexing the toes, but you can point it if you like to be more graceful. Okay, to the back. And close. We are going to go other way. All right. Hold on to the chair. All right. Standing on the left foot. And kick your leg front. Close. Kick your leg to the side. Close. Kick your leg to the back. Close. One more time. Front. Close. To the side. close, and to the back. Then see if I think we have about 2 more minutes. Yes? All right. What I like you to do is either foot. Stand on your right foot. Hold on to the back of your chair. And if chair is kind of flimsy, make sure to hold on to with both hands, right? This one is not so stable, but I just try not to put too much weight on. And right knee goes forward. I am putting my left leg back, and this part of the body is kept nice and tight. See if you can try it. All right, coming up. We do 3 times. Down and up. You're using your own body for the strength. All right? To testing our muscles on the legs, which we don't normally use, right? We are going to do other way. I do the right side, so I'll do left side. Hold on to that position. Hold on to the chair. Right leg goes back. Knee goes forward. And push up. This arm can be anywhere. If you like to be, as I said, graceful, moving your arms. You get kind of busy if you coordinate your breathing, right? Breathe in and down. And coming to the front of the chairs and just do a little stepping, 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 stepping. Open up your legs and slowly, if your hips are healthy enough, we do a hula hoop movement. I saw fluff hoop somewhere and the little children were doing it, and someday I like to try it, but I'm kind of worried. Might not be so easy the way we used to do. Remember, we used to do hula hoop easily. Okay, just go a little faster if you like. And going the other way, hula hoop other way. And closing. See if you can rock your body with it. I like you to do this each day, each morning. And it's a whole body movements. Breathing to go with it. Arms can be a bit higher, like this if you like. Don't flip backwards. Bring up, up, and rocking your feet, right? Toe to the heel, toe to the heel. If you can feel the instep as well. Okay, see if you can do that. Here. I'm making noise so you know I'm breathing. Okay. Then you can do this for about a minute and a half each day. Then it's whole body movements, your arms and your timing, your breathing, your feet, and your whole muscles on the legs. That's easier, right? Go back to the chair. And remember we had potatoes. You don't have to have it. I have the potatoes. Remember I had paper, like inside of a toilet paper. My dog loves papers. She ate it. So I only have potatoes left. So I have to use. Now, use anything. Lemons, oranges, apples smaller one, to do any kind of exercise. You know, those are live and it gives you good energy. So everybody have a good winter, and anything at all, whenever Hoshi-san and anybody needs a little bit of my input or support or whatever, I cannot do too much, but whatever you like for me to do, I will be back. Thank you so much for joining me. Enjoyed it. I enjoy you being there. I can feel it. Thank you.